Have you ever sick of that moment when the back door keeps hitting you up the backside because when you're trying to load something in the back of your vehicle? Yeah, so am I. So what we're going to do, put a gas strut in. This is how. Hello! So what you're going to need, you've got the kit, it comes with a bracket, the gas strut, it comes with a bracket that replaces that one on the pillar in there. It comes with all the fittings and some really heavy duty rivets. I would recommend a lazy tongs riveter to supply it to do the bracket, because their rivets are apparently quite tough. You could probably get away with a standard one, but it'd be a two-handed job, so if you can borrow a lazy tongs or get a local garage to do it, that'd be much better. Other things you need for the job which make life easy: trim tool, doing all the trim clips, and you will need a T25 Torx bit to undo the rear door handle. Elsewise, things that make life easier, it generally would be a bit of masking tape and trusty Sharpie pen. So I'll show you in a moment where you can mark off the things so you can draw the holes. So you will also need then hammer and the centre punch. All good. So first we're going to do, take the rear door trim off. Right, so FYI, for the trim clips to come off, the pop out fasteners, so you've got one there, one there, one there, bottom corner, bottom of the middle reinforcing one, the left hand bottom of the reinforcing one, one there. And this isn't a pull out trim clip, it actually pushes down, so you actually push the door card down and it will disengage from that peg there, otherwise you'll damage your door card, and off the door card comes. Quite simple. Next step we're going to do is actually unbolt all the old mechanism, and then we can line up for the new one. The best way to get these holes marked up is to loosely assemble the ram onto the plate and onto the mount on the back door. Prop the door open to where you approximately want it to open to on its maximum extension, and then you can pop the plate on onto your masking tape. You can move it up and down, you can wiggle it to get it in line with the and you can make the ram parallel, so it's a nice even push and pull, so it's not working on its sides. Then you can mark it out with the marker. Now we can centre punch it and draw the holes. Final drill size for the rivets is a 4.8mm, so start off small, 2.5 or 3, do the pilot holes, just gently work your way up. It's the much easiest way, slow and steady wins the race, because you don't want to be too hard, otherwise you'll drill through the reinforcing bracket, the strengthening in the inside of the door, and you'll go through the back door skin as well. Not a good move. As you can see, the rivets will be snug, but they will fit, which is what you want, a real good fit. Now you've drilled the holes, you're going to have bare metal. So what I'd recommend is get your edge, go down to the local dealer, get yourself a paint touch-up stick, in this case Aintree Green. Just put a bit of paint around the bare metal, just to prevent any possible future corrosion issues rearing their ugly heads. So the best way is not to do one rivet at a time all the way in, is just put them in, give them a little bit of a squeeze just to bring them up. Otherwise you might find if your holes are slightly out, you'll get 3 in, you won't be able to get the final one in. So I always recommend is getting them in and then like do half a squeeze on each, just part way in on the top on the riveter, and then do the next one and do the next one and do the next one, and you can work your way around, and before you know it, be ready just to do the final squeeze. Sometimes getting one, there's a bit of a squeeze as well. There we go. You don't have to go too mad on these, just gently do them up. There we have it. Just got to put the rear door card on. Whilst I've got this everything off, I'm going to give everything a spray of ACF 50 just as a bit of a rust proofer, just to give it something to make sure it lasts forever. As a test run, you can see quite a bit of pressure to push it shut. See, that was only on the first catch. So he's on, and then as you see with the version 2 with the soft stop, it doesn't rock it all the way open. This goes out and it's a nice gentle shut, and that'll stay open on slopes and all the rest of it. Much better idea. Let's put the door card on. We've been a little weather worn. It's been a long day and it's been quite nice out here for once in England. It's not raining. So anyway, so there we have it. The door stay with the soft stop. Link below where I got it from. The very kind people Brendan and Barbara up at 4x4 Overlander, although they sponsored me, you know, hint, but they're really nice people, really swift delivery, really happy with them. So link in the description where I've got it from, and the main Nakatanenga website. Hope I've pronounced that right. But no, I'm really happy with that. It's been a really good day, really good setup, easy to fit, and hopefully you've got the confidence to do so too. Thank you very much. See you next time. Good night.